In today's video, we will try to learn the last step of sales order management, which is receipt voucher entry. For this, go with vouchers, then select receipt from here or press F6 on keyboard. After pressing this, receipt is selected. Now the entry will be cash account debit to SDF, because we received cash from SDF Limited because we made sales. So you can here 2 is selected, so I will put the SDF Limited. The amount is, you can see the amount from here, put the amount exactly 75,000. Press enter. It will under against reference number is 1. Press enter. Buy will be the cash because we want to make receipt in cash. Put the narration like being cash received from SDF Limited. Press enter for accept. Yes, the entry is completed. You can check it from here. Display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding receivables. You can see there is no receivables. If this entry not made, then here the receivable will show. So there is nothing. That means our entry is recorded. Thank you for watching.